Well, this is the new twin turbo headquarters for now. Got a lot of work to do. Let's see what we can do here with this space. Subscribers ever. Now, some of you guys know Twin Turbo gets down in the kitchen, mainly you guys on Instagram. Check this out. Step one, marinate, season, grilled chicken breast. Get the grill up to about 450. Grill's dirty as fuck, but I promise you this is gonna be so fire. Watch what I do. Oh yeah, here we go. Something about the smell of the grill is therapeutic. I don't play around with chicken, dude. I use a meat thermometer for everything. Juices up on there. All right, step one complete. These are all at around 150. Okay, so not fully cooked. Ooh, look at that juice. And what we're gonna do next is going to be fire. So I do this for a reason. So these two, I'm gonna cook fully, and then I'm just gonna eat a couple chicken breasts with barbecue sauce or something, all right? But this, I'm gonna meal prep a fire meal. All right, so I cut the chicken breast up. We're gonna throw it in a glass Tupperware, I guess. Whatever that is, glass dish. Then we're gonna add 2 sticks of cream cheese in here and get it kind of melted. Cilantro lime sauce. So smoked paprika, shoop seasoning sauce, a little bit of basil, garlic lime, cream cheese. Almost to the finish line. We're gonna add some tomato basil sauce to our chicken here. Do the whole thing. All right, now we're gonna add this cheese on here like that. Mix that up. We're gonna bake that on 350 for like 20 minutes. It'll look like this. This time I'm gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna add some cheese on top before I bake it. And this is like keto friendly. High fat, high protein, dude. Done. All right. Oh. We're at the gym because, well, we always go to the gym. Super important. Hope you guys are always self-improving. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for sending me that money on that video I made right here. My whole life just changed. You guys just made it so much better. So thank you. I really, really appreciate it. I got a couple new books and I wanted to run something by you guys. If you're still watching, please do me a favor and hit subscribe, because we're gonna have a lot of different content coming, but I need your guys' help, because one of the books that I got is about unlocking the YouTube algorithm, just all kinds of stuff from like super successful YouTubers with 5-10 million subscribers and billions of views. Obviously what they're doing is working, and they wrote a book about it, so I think it's worth reading. Here's the thing. Twin Turbo is the Stinger, right? When you think of Twin Turbo, you think of the Kia Stinger. That's what built my channel up. However, the Stinger is a very niche market. I mean, dude, they only sold like 50,000 of these in the States since it came out. They started selling them, what, like mid 2017? And for me to have over 1 million views for a car where they've only sold 50K is crazy to me. We got potential on YouTube, but the Kia Stinger, if you look at the big picture of things, which I'm learning to let go of, I just want the universe to bring me what it's going to bring me, right? Holding on to any sort of attachments or outcomes is a recipe for, you know, trying to control a situation, which typically doesn't work out. Okay, so I want the channel to stick with cars. I don't want to lose any of you guys. I don't want to start making like, oh, hey, I'm at the gym and then I'm making coffee and doing stuff with my daughter. And I like to throw that stuff in once in a while, right? You want to have a little bit of people get to know you, but we got to stick with cars. And so what I'm thinking is maybe I can start doing comparison twin turbo reviews, meet up with people, maybe go to dealerships and say, hey, just need to borrow your car for a couple hours. And you got nothing to lose except YouTube views for free marketing and advertising. And or do just car reviews, all kinds of car reviews, but kind of maybe take a different approach to it and have my own style, my own everything, right? My own editing and all that fun stuff, keep it fun. So I'm testing the waters, and you know, I may end up starting another YouTube channel to do vids on like life and self-improving, finances, money, making money, networking, stuff like that, lifestyle kind of stuff, and separate it from Twin Turbo. I don't know yet. Feedback is crucial. That's why I love the comment section. I always read the comments. I greatly appreciate you guys, especially for helping me out right now during these super hard times where everything just changed like that. Thanks again. A subscriber may be sending me a water meth injection kit. He said he was. I'll let you guys know once it gets here. I'm gonna make that video. There's a lot of content I still want to make for this car. I'm not saying, oh, Twin Turbo's over. It's not over. I got a list of videos I still want to make for the Stinger in this channel. M&S, Papa Fall came together and gifted me a rear diffuser when I went to Chicago. That's coming still. Yeah, we got to do like dyno vids, Logic vids. There's just so many vids I got to still do, but please let me know, guys. Again, I appreciate everything from you. Let's go get this workout in. Read books, meal prep. I got to do laundry. Damn. Yeah, stay busy, stay positive, and always improve your life. Getting a six-pack. Oh yeah. Anyways, guys, good news. I actually got 2 interviews coming up. One's with Freddie Mac. That's a badass one. The other one is Indiana Farmers Insurance to be an underwriter. So wish me luck on those interviews, dude, because I need that paper right now. But check this out. It came, dude. It came. And this subscriber wants to remain anonymous. That's how badass he is. Steve, thank you, bro. I mean, I'm not gonna say your last name or your handle or anything, but that's the water meth injection kit, dude. Oh my God. Like, this is gonna be lit. Stay tuned, guys. More coming.